Feed is 0. Spindle speed is 500 and feed is 0.1. And that is really bad. I do not understand why it's 0.1. And this is my first thread ever, but I know only that pitch is 1.25 millimeters and diameter is 12 millimeters. So it is the thread. It is thread. It is thread. Definitely it is thread. Definitely it is thread, but some weird things are happening. So let's try what will happen if I start the same cycle again. Cycles. First what will happen is turret will rotate like crazy. This is something crazy. So this is something. I want to see will threading tool chase the threads. I will speak crazy. Little monkey. And 0.1 millimeters. 0.1 millimeters per minute. I do not understand why. Why? And so I give up.